Madhya Pradesh, the heart of India, where culture, wildlife, and heritage meet. The Khajuraho Group of Monuments is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, renowned for their intricate sculptures celebrating art, love, and life. Madhya Pradesh holds the title of the Tiger State with over 526 tigers, the highest population in India, making it a wildlife haven. Home to the ancient Sanchi Stupa, one of the oldest stone structures in India, a UNESCO World Heritage Site representing Buddhist heritage. The Bhimbetka Rock Shelters, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, features 30,000-year-old prehistoric cave paintings, a window into early human life. Panna is India's only diamond-producing region, known for its rich diamond reserves, adding global sparkle to Madhya Pradesh's crown. Madhya Pradesh is home to over 46 recognized tribal communities, preserving their unique cultural heritage through vibrant festivals and traditions. Madhya Pradesh is where history, wildlife, and culture come together in the heart of India.